Thought I'd show off my collection of Buggleskellly wagons, all limited editions. First up we have a pair of the 5-plank coal wagons. SRNI, of course, is Southern Railway of Northern Ireland. Wagons are number 274 and involved in the notorious shunting incident when they fell off the edge of the cliff in the film Mr. Porter. These are a limited edition of 200 wagons. Next we have Buggleskelley General Trading Company, wagon number 5, and this is a remake of a previous similar wagon, I think number 6. Most of the wagons have been designed by Tim Oakes to raise money for the restoration of the Bagnall steam locomotive at Wirksworth. Again, this is a limited edition of 200. Next we have Buggleskelley Quarries, limestone wagon number 23, which I think was created last year, 2022, also by Tim Oakes. And next we have Buggleskelley Cooperative Society, wagon number 3. Another recent wagon produced by Tim Oakes, and again limited edition of I think 200 wagons. And then next we have Buggleskelley Lime Company, wagon number 7, and this is one of 225, I think produced in 2021 by Tim Oakes. And next up we have another Buggleskelley wagon. This one is Buggleskelley Bacon, A. Brown & Co. Finest homegrown bacon, pork products and sausages, meat van number 5. And this one has been designed by Tom Marshall of Buggleskelley Station. And then we have perhaps the rarest and most difficult of the Buggleskelley wagons to get hold of, the Joe Miller small arms fuses and bombs. And this was the 70th anniversary of the film Oh Mr. Porter, issued in 2007. And it's one of only 107 of these wagons that were made. Comes with a certificate. And then finally in my collection, the most recent, which is also commissioned by Tim Oakes, but made by Rapido, one of 200 special run for the Bagnall Society, and it's the Southern Railway of Northern Ireland goods brake van, 6-wheel brake van number 4, 20 tonne, says return to Old Windmill Sidings, Buggleskelley, Southern Railway, Northern Ireland. And to haul these wagons around, we don't have Gladstone. For Gladstone, think Arthur. Rapido 060 Hunslet with sound.
had a boss, didn't I?